my name is Katie Murphy-Calusi, Senior Engineering Director of Loudspeaker Development at Meyer Sound. We are so excited to be here at InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas with our all-new line array TIGRA and companion sub 1800 LFC. We just wrapped an off-site demo at the Blue Live Theater at Fontainebleau, and we got the wonderful opportunity to show our customers and users how TIGRA plays well in a theater as well as with the existing product inventories like the X80 and the 2100 LFC, and preview it with its soon-to-be shipping companion sub, the 1800 LFC. TIGRA is the newest line array in our Panther family, which we launched 4 years ago now, and really set a new standard in the industry for big system performance and power. TIGRA is the little brother. It shows how you can have versatility and even coverage, but in a smaller 120-pound box that is better for flexibility and meets a wide variety of needs. Think arenas, stadiums even, but also installed systems. We're trying to make sure that as we continue to launch products in the Panther family, we are meeting a wide variety of needs. And the same goes for the 1800 LFC. Where the 2100 LFC has that earth-shaking power, 1800 LFC is low frequency control that can be felt but not seen. It's absolutely perfect for compact spaces where the space is what really matters. We're excited for it to start shipping this fall. Please come check out our booth today and tomorrow, and visit our website at meyersound.com.